Hello, my name is Madhu and I work in the Mississauga library system. Today we learn how to make rainbow loom bracelets. And things you need to make this bracelet are rainbow looms. I have two colors, orange and black, which are Halloween colors, and tiny clasp. The first step in this project is to hold on to two fingers. Take one rainbow loom and make a crisscross between the two fingers like this. I'm going to repeat it again. Take a rainbow loom and make a crisscross between the two fingers like this. Shift it a little bit. Now take another color, which is black in this case. Again tie it between the two fingers. This time you will not make a crisscross. And hold on to the orange loom, pull it over the black and just leave it. Again, hold on to the orange one, the first loom, bring it across the black one and leave it. There is your first loop. I'm just going to shift it a little bit over here and then start again. So we're going to start with a pattern of 2 and 2. So again, take another black one between the two fingers. The first black, pull it over the second one, and then again. So there is your second black loop. Now we are going to start with the orange one. Hold it like this, then hold the black one, pull it over the orange one and just leave it. Scroll in the middle. Now again, hold the black one, pull it over the orange one over your first finger and leave it. Now again, orange. Here. Leave it. Now black. And leave it. So you will see here that this is starting to form a loom. It is untidy now, but as it grows, we'll be able to tie it across a third finger. I think now it's our chance for the second black one. Here, hold on, pull it over, pull across and just leave it. Again, the second black. I hope I'm not forgetting my pattern. Here, and leave it. So now we can see that this tail is a little bit big, which means we can just tie it across our third finger so that it is manageable. I'm just going to repeat the pattern. Here, it's really easy once you understand the step. So now this is my last loop here. And now it's time to just finish it, which means I have a clasp over here, and I'm just going to pull the two strands and tie a clasp. So my first end is tied. Now the other side, which is this one, should also be clasped here. So here I'm going to hold on to this loop and just put it inside the clasp like this. So one clasp is enough for making a bracelet, and this is holding both the ends. I'm just going to leave it, and here you have your bracelet. Here I have two bracelets. This one I made it yesterday. It's just a little big, so I'm going to loop it twice here. And this one I just made it. I'm also going to add it. Isn't it beautiful? So this popular craft is for kids and adults alike. You can use one or more looms, or use a mini loom just a hook to make an endless array of bracelets, charms and other creations in all sorts of colors and patterns. This craft is more than just fun. It can potentially boost some worthwhile skills in kids and impart some child development benefits. Putting all those tiny rubber bands together, whether on the loom or on a hook, takes some good fine motor coordination, which enhances the physical development of children. It increases the overall visualization skills, as they will create the bracelets they want to make. Lastly, when you choose the color of rubber bands and decide how you want to put them together to make a certain pattern on the rainbow loom, you learn how to design and use your imagination to create something tangible and real. Thank you for watching. Make sure to log into our website for details on what's coming and our 24/7 digital services, ebooks, audiobooks and more.